Welcome to our channel. Today we how to check Georgia Lottery winning numbers. Today's results step by step clearly. First, make sure you know which Georgia Lottery game you played, such as Mega Millions, Powerball, Cash 3, Cash 4, Fantasy 5, or Keno. Next, take your ticket and find the draw date and the exact numbers you selected. Then, prepare a pen or open a Notes app so you can compare numbers without mistakes. Now, open your phone or computer and connect to a stable internet network. After that, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type Georgia Lottery winning numbers and press Enter. Look for results that clearly show the official Georgia Lottery website or an official Georgia Lottery results page. Tap or click the official site result to avoid incorrect numbers from unofficial sources. Once the page loads, find the section labeled Winning Numbers or Results. Select the game you played from the list on the page. Check that the draw date shown matches the date on your ticket. If the site shows multiple dates, choose Today or the most recent draw for your game. Read the winning numbers carefully from left to right exactly as displayed. If your game includes a bonus ball, special number, or multiplier, note that number too. Place your ticket next to the screen and compare your first number with the first winning number. Continue comparing each number one by one, and do not skip any numbers. If the game allows numbers in any order, confirm the matching rules on the same results page. For games with positions like Cash 3 or Cash 4, verify whether your play type is straight, box, or another option. If you play with a multiplier like Megaplier or Power Play, confirm whether it was drawn for that draw. If you use the Georgia Lottery mobile app, open the app and go to the Check Numbers or Results menu. Allow the app to update so you are viewing the latest results for today. If the app offers ticket scanning, use the scan feature and follow the on-screen instructions. If scanning is not available, enter your numbers manually and double-check the entries. When you see a win, confirm the prize amount by using the prize table for that specific game. Check whether the prize depends on matching numbers, matching bonus numbers, or matching in exact order. If you think you want a larger prize, review the claim instructions and required identification on the official site. For smaller prizes, verify whether you can claim at a retailer and what the maximum in-store limit is. Finally, keep your ticket in a safe place until you have claimed your prize or confirmed it is not a winner. Subscribe to the channel and like the video for more clear, step-by-step guides on lottery results and how to check them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.